What's going on, guys? Heading back to the RMV, fourth time's the charm, hopefully. Was able to get a newer looking, it's in really good shape, 1933 year manufacture plate. So I got them off eBay. I did check the number prior to purchasing to see if it was in use at all, and it's not active for any registration. So that is hopeful. It's in good shape. It's in like new condition. I guess the guy ran you get two plates. The guy ran the rear and left the other one in a drawer. So I'm going to try to use that one. It's right here actually. So it looks pretty darn new. So hopefully that will pass the sniff test for the RMV. I did need to get that form notarized, so if anybody's looking to do that, you have to get that form notarized. Don't know why, but you do, because they handed me the form and I was going to fill it out right in front of them, and they said, nope, you have to get it notarized. I'm like, well, the notarization is to prove that I filled it out, and I'm going to show the notary a license that you issued me, and I'm standing right in front of you and you're allowing me to register a vehicle. So it did make sense to me. I'm assuming it's their like fail safe in terms of like if people fill it out when they're not there, then they have proof that they filled it out. But so they just have it as a blanket rule for everybody. It is what it is. Dealing with state government, or dealing with state government, you're dealing with state government. So I did, as a backup, also get an antique plate application notarized at the same time, so that if for some reason it doesn't go with the year manufacture plate, I don't need to do a fifth trip. I just pivot and do the antique plate. So year manufacture plate would obviously be a lot cooler. So fingers crossed, we're on the way. We're gonna get there about 2 minutes before they open, and we'll see what happens. Winner, chicken dinner. I have a 1933 year manufacture plate for the Fiat. Registered, done, titles in the mail, coming. That was wild. Not like really wild, but like, paperwork, boring, but not as wild. So we're done with the registry. It's all set. It's insured, titled, registered. I only need one plate, and I have it. It's green. It's going on the rear. No front plate. And it's a 1933 plate, which is, I'm ecstatic. So, cool. And it's still early. It's only 8:50 in the morning. I got here at 5 of 8. So, they open the doors at 8. Not a terrible turnaround. So, let's get to the rest of the day.